1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, people out there. Welcome to Afshin TV. Lisa, our newest, wonderfulest employee, is doing the honors of taking the video.
Hello.
And I am opening Derek Lamb 10 Crosby. They actually did have a store on Crosby Street in the city. That's why they call it 10 Crosby. But then ever since they closed it. What is this? What the hell did I get? Okay. Just so you know, I never went to the showroom to buy this collection. I bought it online. Ow! Nice job, Afshin. It's a sweatshirt with a shirt sleeve detail in a gorgeous dip dye. This ain't tie-dye. This is a very high-end sweatshirt. This part is a sweatshirt. This part is a dip dye cotton thing. And it's in a beautiful shade of navy. It's a beautiful shade of navy with the pants that are slightly bootleg. This pant can be worn with a blazer. It will look great with this as well. Oh, please come and try it. This is gonna, hi Grace, thanks for sneaking behind me. Okay, Lisa, are you tired of holding the camera yet?
No.
Okay, good.
Keep going.
So, I don't know what I think about this. I mean, I love the color. We had a similar one in green last year that we sold out. It had a belt. I think it's based on the same shape. This is the color of the season, this rust color. It's great with browns, with beiges, it's great with pink. It's great with every color. This is the color. It's a casual, slightly men's inspired, but you do it with a high heel, you do it with a sexy heel. Ow, ow. Now, those of you who buy high-end designer brands such as Proenza Schooler, you will know that this designer has been inspired by Proenza. This is not tie-dye. This is dip dye. Dip dye. It is perfect shirt dress for right now. You going somewhere? Are you going to Croatia? This is the dress you want. Are you going out east? This is the dress you want. Lisa, while you're holding the camera in an angle, I look short when you do that. See, I still have to teach her. So, yes. Yes, gorgeous. Okay. More. Think. This is it. Not very exciting. That's it. 4 pieces. But for great pieces, come and see me.